name is Devesh Agarwal. I am the president of the Bangalore Chamber of Industry and Commerce. It was a very nice meeting with the Chief Minister and the Industries Minister and the Labour Minister. We have been interacting with the Industries Minister, Mr. Jagdish Shettar, that is the Bangalore Chamber of Industry and Commerce, for now since the COVID crisis has started. We have given a lot of suggestions. We have explained some of our problems, what our needs of industry are, and throughout the government they have been very they have been very supportive, very understanding. Wherever they have been possible to help, they have tried to help. So, across the board, whether it is the political spectrum or the the IAS officers, they have been very supportive. Today, the meeting was good. The Chief Minister has definitely understood that, now the economy is getting badly impacted. And we are now reaching a situation where, the cure is becoming more dangerous than the disease. In that case, we have requested the Chief Minister to allow industry and businesses to start functioning so that the economy starts moving. Economy starts moving, we can get money back into the system, because ultimately the people who are getting maximum affected are the weakest members of society. With no economic activity, see, 80% of India's labor is in the informal sector. That means that they are not covered by ESI, by PF or any of these government schemes. So tomorrow, whatever relief package also that is being announced by the government for factory employees is not going to reach these people. So they need to have work. Only then they are going to get paid. So it is important for industry to start functioning. Ultimately, employment, everything has to go hand in hand. See, no industry will endanger its employees, because if one employee catches COVID, that whole factory will get shut off. They have to go into quarantine now for 14 days, whether they like it or not. So industry is already invested in wireless thermometer, infrared thermometers, in checking, in sterilization, all this equipment, masks, everything. We are buying literally 3 to 4 masks per employee, and we are making washing facilities available at the factory itself so that they can come, put the mask in the bucket, take a fresh mask, this mask gets washed and is returned back to them. So we are trying from an industry perspective. For us it is very important that the worker or whoever it is, the staff member, see, ultimately they are our asset. Machinery today can be easily changed, repaired, reserved. We cannot replace human beings. We spend a lot of money and effort in training them, getting them, productive. We don't want them to fall sick. It is not our intention at all. So it is important for business that the employee remains healthy. So we will take the necessary precautions.
Yeah, good evening. This is Parashuraman. I'm the Senior Vice President of Bangalore Chamber of Industries and Commerce, and also the Deputy Managing Director of Toyota Industries Engines. So, pleasure talking to you. So today we had a wonderful discussion with the Industry Minister, Sri Jagdish Shettar, the Chief Minister, Sri Yediyurappa ji, and we had a wonderful discussions on how to open the economy. So all the industrial bodies had gathered, and Chief Minister heard our voices one by one. He patiently listened to our suggestions, and he has assured that full support from the government will be given to all the industries. And we also talked about the sufferings of the small scale industries. Many companies are not able to pay the daily wages. Especially 1 month they somehow managed, the next month is becoming more difficult. But he has assured to give the best support. In fact, some of the points we discussed is, waiving of the fixed charges for electricity, where the operations are not happening. So he has taken that very positively, and he said he is going to discuss those points with the concerned bureaucrats, and he will consider these points deeply and take the best possible decision. So I think this is a great leadership. The government of Karnataka is trying to do their best under the dynamic leadership of Honorable Chief Minister, and the industry minister is very positive, and we also keep meeting the industry minister, Shri Jagadish Chatterjee, very frequently to discuss the industry issues, and he is always positive. He listens with an open mind, and he is quick to respond to all our concerns. And similarly, the Chief Minister's meeting was also fantastic. And today also we had Shri Shivaram Ebal, the Labour Minister, and he was also very positive to support the industry. And we had also a lot of other bureaucrats, Shri Gaurav Gupta, Principal Secretary, Industry and St. Thomas, Shri Gunjan Krishnan, Commissioner Industries, then Mr. Mageshwar Rao, the head of MSMEs, then Captain Manivan and the Labour Secretary. So we had a wonderful meeting. I hope that the economy should be back to normal progressively. Of course, today's situation, we cannot get an 100% solution at this point of time. But slowly we'll have to open the economy. At the same time, social distancing and following the rules are very, very important. So both the government and the industry should work together for this noble cause. So we have assured from our side that the industries will do the best to ensure social distancing and the government norms. And at the same time, government also will do their best to support the industries. So this is a challenge, but I feel after some time, once the COVID stabilizes, this is a great opportunity for India, especially for Karnataka, because we have the best of the teams in terms of capability, knowledge, and a wonderful atmosphere to do business. Therefore, I expect that even the China business, there is a big potential to flow to countries like India and especially states like Karnataka. And I think we should grasp the challenges and grab this opportunity. So the challenge is there now, but going forward, I feel it's a great opportunity. So that's what I think. So I think that industries will have problems in the beginning in terms of getting the people to work, then stabilizing their operations, getting the jobs back to track. But I think progressively we need to continue our challenge, and also it's a good time for industries to get the best out of people, use their creativity, knowledge and ideas to prepare for the worst. Once the COVID is stabilized and the economy is back, I feel it's a great opportunity for India, because a lot of opportunities for manufacturing exists here, especially China jobs are likely to come here. This is a great opportunity, and India has got the capability and leadership under the Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji. So we can use this opportunity and reap the benefits. Of course, struggle is there, but I feel the opportunities are too big, because India, the age of the population is very young. Aging population is happening in other countries like China and the United States. So this is a big opportunity, and Make in India is very popular now. It has completed the first stage of stabilization. Now the reformation and acceleration should happen. I think this is a big opportunity. Of course, now the struggle is there, but I feel definitely India will bounce back with a strong leadership.